Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, a quick update. Few days back, me and Karan went into an argument, and it was, I don't even remember what the argument was, frankly speaking, but it was like a small fight, and we, like, हर relation में नोक झोंक होती है, which
She went to try. Oh, Didi.
and
Oh, what it is?
we
Oh,
just
Didi.
made
What
that
it is?
नोक झोंक end and have some love and cute moments. He just surprised me with a spa date. Woo! So we are going to Novotel. Yes. So we are going to Novotel for our spa date, which is very sweet, guys. I think I just got a lucky one. So I thought he booked Radisson because I think he was also confused between Radisson and Novotel. But now I get to know that it's Novotel Juhu. So I was very happy because I've been to Novotel property a lot of times, but I've never done a spa. I've generally not done a spa in Mumbai. Like I've done when I've traveled, but I've never done a spa in Mumbai. So it's a first experience of a spa in Mumbai in Novotel Juhu, and the spa name is Meghavi Wellness Spa. We're at our destination, guys. I'm coming to Novotel after so long, yeah. Like, oh, that's the property, guys. Let's go and have some good spa time. Yes.
वॉशरूम है
किधर है? फर्स्ट फ्लोर।
Yes. You have to exchange your outfit along with the camera ticket here. For them here and for sir here. So you can take your time, you can talk to us now.
थैंक यू
Yeah. So they have this cupboard to keep your clothes. They have steam and shower area, and they have a washroom also here. So I think it's a perfect yes. So yeah.
How do we get to know the number of hours?
You will get a message.
Okay. This 20,000 is including of GST and the taxes.
Perfect. So we are going ahead with this, which is 20k for 11 hours, and it's valid for 6 months.
Yeah, but I'll extend it.
Perfect. So they are extending the pack as well, and they have like all of these services and all of these services. Oh, sorry. So we went for this, and it was a really good experience. So I think it's a thumbs up.
I can even gift it.
The spa, we are heading back home to our cute little daughter, Krishu, and it was a really good experience, guys. Kudos to the girls who really made like a special, and they gave a very good massage. So basically हम urban club से भी बुलाते हैं, right? And like I do call from urban club, I book online and they come home with all the setup and everything. But sometimes it's very nice to just step out of the house, go to a place, get pampered, and and I really like the fact that it's a cheap deal. Like मैंने जब आपको बताया कि it's like 20k for 10 hours, which on top she said I'll give you 11 hours, and then on top she's like 6 months नहीं, आप 1 year का time period ले लो, then it was like perfect. Because if we pay now, we took our 2 hours now, so we are remaining with like what, 8 hours, जिसमें से we can give 3 hours like gifted to Karan's sister, so they can also go and like have their good nice Sunday spa, and then we have more 6 hours left, and then 5, yeah, okay, but 11 na, okay, 5 hours left. Still that 5 hours में से once in a blue moon in the entire year, if me and Karan is like चलो आज spa करते हैं, चलो book कर लेते हैं, so you know we can go whenever we want, and we know that we have that particular hour, so we will obviously plan now accordingly. So it's a good Sunday. We are happy. Thank you for watching, and lots of love.